Welcome to this session of video info from Projecis and the new look of Projecis 2.0. In this session, we'll be reviewing the Workspace Management area. The Workspace Management area allows you to manage or add projects, companies, or people to your subscription. The Workspace Management area can be accessed from the pull-down menu under your name. Let's review how to control some of the features within this area. The first screen shows a running list of activities that have been happening within the workspace. The right-hand side shows some metrics. The Projects, Companies, and Peoples tabs have similar browser search options on the left-hand side and New Item option on the right-hand side. We can see that projects are arranged by categories based on their status. We can also drill down into a project and edit its details or its members. First, let's take a look at editing details. From this page, I can edit the project name, the project status, when the project is due, or even the description of the project. I simply update the project when I'm done. Let's now take a look at editing the project members. From this page, I can edit the current members, or I can add new ones. First, let's edit the current member. I can change their project role, as well as their system role. Let's go ahead and add a member to this project. As I begin to type, a list of members to my subscription will appear from which I can select from. I then assign their project and system role. If the person you want to add is not on your subscription, you will need to add their company on the Companies tab and invite them to the subscription on the People tab. Once they accept your invitation to the subscription, they can be assigned to your projects. Let's now add a new project. Once I've created the project, this page will appear. You can then further edit its details or edit its members. In the Companies tab, you'll see a listing of those companies that are associated with your subscription. In this case, you can also see that one of the companies is noted as being restricted. Members of restricted companies are restricted across all the projects they're involved with. They are unable to see members of other restricted companies, as well as information that is marked sensitive or restricted. From here, we can drill down and see the members of the company. Let's take a look at adding a new company. You can see you enter the company name, indicate whether the members should be restricted or not, and simply add the company to your subscription. The final tab is the People tab. On the left-hand side is a listing of the companies affiliated with your subscription. On the right-hand side is a listing of the members. We can see here in this example that one of the members is restricted versus others who are not. Like the Companies tab, I can select one of the companies and view its members. Let's add a new person. People can be added to your workspace either as a member or as a contact. Members will be invited to the subscription and will take up a seat. Contacts will not be invited to the subscription and will not take up a seat, but they can be upgraded to members at a later date. With members or contacts, you enter their first and last name, their email address, and the company that they are affiliated with. If their company is already in the system, You can simply select the company from the pull-down menu. If the member is part of a new company, simply select Add Company from the pull-down menu and complete the information. When adding a person with member status, you also need to indicate the access level this person will have on this subscription. Once you're done, just select the Invite This Person button. Thank you for joining us in this session of video info from Projecis and a brief look at the Workspace management area. Please go to www.projecis.com for more information or for a free trial.